What's going on, Ghosts and Ghosts? It's Montavious back with the Intercrypt, and today got a special video for you guys. And let's just say I'm feeling a little bit in the holiday spirit. And as you guys know, we just got hit with big news that Terrifier 3 will be a Christmas slasher. So I'm very excited for this. So Santa Claus isn't going to be the only one rocking around the Christmas tree. Right into it. Got a special review for you guys today. Just received this life-size bust of Art the Clown from Grimfather Studios and Internal Moth Studios. Guys, check how awesome this is. Look at the detail on Art the Clown. And as you guys know, I think I posted my collection before. Big Terrifier fan. I love it. Those guys are awesome. Fuzz on the Lens, Damon Leone, David Albert Thornton, Lauren Rivera, all of them. The whole nine amazing people. So check this out. Life-size Killer Santa Art the Clown. Can't get any better than that, guys. And Terrifier 3 will be hitting, a theater near you October 24th, my birthday, so you gotta see that. It's crazy. But look at the detail on this. The eyes. He looks so menacing. Like, he looks terrifying. Looks like he's about to, take a chunk out of me right now. Blood work is phenomenal. Again, if you guys want to pick one up, that's Grimfather Studios and all that great stuff. So I do have some other goodies for you guys. So from the Terrifier shop on Instagram, I do have a signed copy of the script from Terrifier 2, signed by none other than the father Terrifier himself, Damon Leone. This is number 97 out of 100. So there was cast signed ones that went out. There was 100 of those, and then there was 100 of the director signed ones. I prefer, I met all the cast members, but I prefer when it comes to the script. I'm simple. I want the man who started it all, and that is Damon Leone, right here, number 97 out of 100. And it's magical to sit back and read everything come together right here. And then also jumping right into it, Scarecrows also dropped their own inspired Terrifier ragdoll. Now, excuse me. Again, now this was number 99 out of 100, so I did look up. This is signed by Damon Leone, again, the creator of Terrifier. So that's kind of cool to have, your own little ragdoll. And it came with this awesome certificate of authenticity, as you see there. Scarecrows, Damon Leone, number 99 out of 100. Cool little card on the back there. Can't freaking beat it, guys. Again, I'm a huge fan. I love this. So let me know down in the comments, are you guys excited for Terrifier 3? What is it that you're looking for? I know we have some casting updates, so right now the guys are looking for 5 new cast members, and I cannot wait for this. So drop some comments below. Are you guys excited for Terrifier 3? Are you a fan of the franchise just like I am? I think this is probably one of the best franchise of modern times. Of course, after Scream, of course, but these guys definitely have a gold mine on their hands. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And make sure you follow me, _Emptycrypt, on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, or X. So we'll see you in the next one.